before you sign that dealership contract STOP, because one of these 10 cars could drain your bank account for the... Number 1. The Jeep Wrangler XE beat this plug-in hybrid sounds cool on paper off-road icon, goes electric saves gas, but owners are reporting electrical gremlins, failed inverters, and battery module replacements that can run over $10,000 out of warranty. Jeep's hybrid system was never fully sorted, and when it breaks, good luck finding a dealer who actually knows how to fix it. Avoid the XE unless you love expensive surprises. Number 2. The Chevrolet Colorado beat the new Colorado. Looks aggressive, and that 2.7 turbo feels strong at first, but owners on the 2023 and 2024 models are logging transmission hesitation, oil consumption issues, and infotainment system crashes on a near monthly basis. Poscom's warranty service has been inconsistent, with many dealers unable to replicate the issues long-term ownership costs on. The Colorado are trending well above segment average. Consider the Ford Ranger or Tacoma instead. Number 3. The Volkswagen Volvo's electric SUV has had one of the rockiest reliability records of any EV on the market. Software bugs that disable the car, touch-only controls that randomly stop responding, and charging failures that strand drivers. Big Consumer Reports ranked it among the worst for predicted reliability 3 years running. VW has pushed over-the-air updates, but the core hardware problems remain. If you're going electric, there are far more dependable choices. Number 4. The Nice Unrogue beat. This is the one that shocked analysts. The Rogue is America's best-selling compact SUV, and also one of the most complained about for long-term reliability. Nice and CVT transmission continues to be a ticking time bomb, with shuddering, slipping, and complete failures reported between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. Replacements cost to popularity doesn't mean reliability. The Rogue's CVT record is Nissan's biggest unresolved problem. Number 5. The Land Rover Defender beat beautiful, absolutely capable off-road without question, reliable, absolutely net. The new Defender consistently ranks at the bottom of reliability surveys globally, with electrical faults, mild hybrid system failures, and air suspension collapse is being most common. The average Defender owner spends nearly more per year on unscheduled repairs than comparable luxury SUV owners. Land Rover's service network is also stretched thin and expensive. Number 6. The Ram 1500 Classic. Stellantis has kept this older platform truck in production, and buyers see the lower sticker price as a deal beat, but this aging platform brings outdated tech-known electrical gremlins and body sealing issues that have been reported since 2019. The 8-speed transmission also continues to exhibit shuddering and rough shifting that Chrysler has never fully fixed. You're buying yesterday's problems at today's price is the newer Ram TRX and 1500 DTR better bets. Number 7. The Genesis electrified. Genesis has built a stunning reputation for luxury value, but the electric EV has introduced a wave of charging system faults, 12-volt battery drains, and software reboot loops that leave owners stranded without warning. Dealers are still learning the platform, and repair wait times often exceed 2 weeks for covered warranty work. The combustion is excellent, but the electrified version isn't ready for prime time yet. Number 8. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid beat the most family-friendly car on this list, and unfortunately one of the most problematic. The Pacifica Hybrid has seen spontaneous fires, battery management failures, and repeated NHTSA investigations since its debut. The plug-in hybrid system has been the source of multiple recall campaigns, and fire risk issues were serious enough that FCA asked owners to park outside away from structures. Your family deserves better than this level of uncertainty. Number 9, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio beat there's no denying it's gorgeous. The Quadrifoglio version drives like a sports car wearing an SUV costume. Pause, but Alfa's long-term reliability record remains one of the worst in the entire industry. Electrical faults, engine cooling issues, and infotainment failures dominate owner forums. Pause, worse, finding a qualified technician outside major cities is nearly impossible. Alpha dealerships are scarce, and independent shops often refuse the work. Beautiful heartbreak on wheels. Number 10, the Tesla Model S beat before the comments section explodes. Yes, the Model S is technologically extraordinary, but Tesla's assembly quality control has produced persistent issues, panel gaps, trim failures, suspension creaks, and touchscreen reboots mid-drive. Pause, service wait times at Tesla centers can stretch weeks or even months for complex repairs. Pause, for every day reliability over years. The data shows the Model S underperforms compared to legacy luxury. Is fast, yes, dependable, not consistently.